Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever opened your TikTok and noticed that some videos won't show up, or maybe it says the video isn't available due to restricted mode? Well, that's because TikTok has a built-in restriction mode. That means it is a filter and it will filter out the mature or the sensitive content, but if it is turned on without you realizing it, it can actually block a lot of videos, even totally normal ones as well. So in this video I'm going to show you how to basically turn off your restriction mode on TikTok using 100% working methods, so you can start watching all of your favorite videos again without anything getting hidden. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So if you or someone else turned on restricted mode on your device and now you want to disable it, you just have to simply open your TikTok mobile application, then tap on your profile tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here you will see the three lines in the top right hand corner, so you will have to simply tap on this and then go to settings and privacy. Now in settings and privacy you need to scroll down a bit and tap on content preferences. Now you in the content preferences you will see restriction mode or restricted mode option, so you need to simply tap on this one. Now here you will see the turn on option, so you will have to tap on turn off restricted mode and enter the 4-digit passcode you or someone else set up when it was turned on, and that's it. Your restricted mode, it will now be disabled and all of the type of content will appear again in your feed. Now if you didn't set the passcode and someone else may have, like a parent or guardian, you don't remember the passcode, don't worry, you just have to simply follow these steps. Now you will have to come back on this page and after that you need to tap on turn off restricted mode. Now when it asks for the code, you need to look for the forget passcode option, and then TikTok will now ask you to verify your account. You will need to use your email address or your linked phone number, and once it is verified successfully, you can basically reset your passcode. After that you need to go back and enter the new passcode to turn your restricted mode off, and it was as easy as it may sound, and this method is perfect if you lost the code but still have access to your TikTok account information. Now here, make sure that your TikTok is linked to your email or phone number before actually doing this. And if you still unable to disable the restricted mode, it's possible that your TikTok account is a part of family pairing or parental control feature. If that's the case with you, the account connected to your parents account may have the restrictions from their device, so you will need to ask them to review and remove the limits from their settings. So that's it. This is how you can basically disable the restricted mode on TikTok using both available methods, so whether you have a passcode or not. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips, fixes and tutorials. If you have questions, you can drop them in the comment section below and I will try to reply every and each one of you. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.